rather than talking about challenges, what I can say is there are some improvements that we can make in the current cell therapy manufacturing processes. For example, there is a huge need to shorten the manufacturing time. There is a lot of work going on in those areas, so everybody is trying to shorten the manufacturing process, and I'm sure we have made a lot of progress in that area, and we are going to make more progress, so that we can have products turned around pretty fast in the manufacturing process. With respect to some of the bottlenecks that we have, for example, in the manufacturing of genetically engineered T-cell products, we need viral vectors, which are GMP grade viral vectors, and there is a huge queue for making these GMP grade viral vectors at various CDMOs. So we need more CDMOs to make viral vectors so that we have the wait times lessened.